Picture this. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, and a violent crash from downstairs jolts you out of a deep sleep. In a high-stress scenario like that, you are not wasting precious seconds racking a manual pump shotgun or attempting to stabilize a long, bolt-action hunting rifle. Your hand instinctively goes straight to a home defense weapon that is compact, inherently dependable, and lightning. Fast to bring into action under pressure. That is exactly where a high-quality 9mm pistol, caliber carbine, becomes your absolute best friend. And despite what the premium tactical market tells you, you do not have to completely drain your savings account to get a defensive tool that runs flawlessly. As we navigate through 2026, the firearms market has delivered an incredible selection of budget-friendly long guns built for hard-use defense, vehicle storage, and intense training range sessions. Today, we are breaking down the definitive countdown of the top 7 affordable 9mm pistol, caliber carbines that deliver serious reliability and no-nonsense practicality. We will analyze the core engineering, the magazine compatibility, and the structural metrics of these defensive platforms. And our number 1 selection features an elite takedown mechanism from an industry titan that might just surprise you. Before we look at the bolts and dive into the ballistics, make sure your eyes are locked on the screen and your mind is ready. Let us get straight into the countdown. Number 7. Chiappa M1. 9 entering our countdown at an accessible retail price point ranging from $480 to $650 in 2020. 6. The Chiappa M1. 9 represents a fascinating mechanical bridge between classic military history and modern defensive utility. The core engineering of this platform acts as a direct structural tribute to the iconic World War II M1 carbine, but it completely reimagines the internal geometry to run the highly accessible 9mm Luger cartridge. The system features a 19-inch barrel housed inside a 36-inch overall silhouette, maintaining a remarkably lightweight footprint that tips the scales at just under 6 pounds empty. From an ergonomic perspective, the M19 provides a highly traditional, comfortable shoulder mount that instantly feels familiar to anyone raised on classic American wood and steel long guns. It utilizes standard Beretta 92 pattern double-stack magazines, ensuring a highly reliable, inexpensive feeding source that is widely distributed across the country. The weapon is fitted with historic-style iron sights that handle fast target alignment gracefully, while the top of the receiver shroud includes integrated mounting space to accommodate modern red dot optics with minimal effort. The mechanical action operates on a simple, robust, straight-blowback system that completely simplifies the internal parts menu for stress, free cleaning, and user maintenance. Squeezing the single-stage trigger initiates a positive low-recoil ignition sequence that keeps the muzzle completely flat and tracks tight groups well inside 50 yards with standard 115-grain ammunition. Operators should note that this platform does not incorporate a last-round bolt hold open mechanism requiring a manual charging stroke after inserting a fresh magazine on an empty chamber. Number 6. Thureon Defense 9mm PCC Carbine. Stepping up the technical ladder with a retail price sitting comfortably between $640 and $710. The Thureon Defense Pistol Caliber Carbine is an industrial implementation of pure mechanical function. The foundation of this hard-use long gun is a set of upper and lower receivers precision, machined from a solid block of high-tensile 7075 billet aluminum to handle extreme field abuse. The core specifications feature a 16.5-inch heavy steel barrel capped with a standard flash hider, shrouded by a 15-inch free-floating M-LOK handguard that provides infinite real estate for weapon lights and tactical vertical grips. Human engineering is heavily optimized around the highly successful R15 control layout, utilizing a 6-position adjustable M4-style buttstock and a standard pistol grip interface to ensure instant muscle memory. Thureon Defense chose a highly intelligent design path by engineering the magazine well to feed from standard Glock pattern double-stack magazines, allowing you to seamlessly share ammunition sources with your favorite defensive sidearms. The inclusion of a side-mounted manual charging handle provides a highly positive mechanical leverage point that makes clearing malfunctions or chambering a round incredibly smooth under a heavy adrenaline dump. The mechanical heart of the weapon relies on a heavy-duty direct blowback cycling mechanism that uses an optimized bolt mass to ensure uniform ejection traction over thousands of consecutive rounds. The fire control unit delivers a highly crisp single-stage duty trigger press that breaks cleanly without any mush or staging, greatly improving shot-to-shot recovery times during high-speed defensive drills. Every internal component is scaled to resist carbon fouling, keeping the action running cleanly even when using dirty bulk target loads at the range. Number 5. Hi-Point 995 Tactical Carbine, smashing through the budget barrier at an entry-level retail price point starting around $330. The Hi-Point 995 Tactical Carbine is a pure masterclass in affordable utility. This ultra-affordable platform uses a highly simplified straight-blowback operating system enclosed within a rugged, weather-resistant polymer stock configuration. The core specifications include a 16.5-inch barrel that squeezes excellent velocity out of standard centerfire ammunition, packing a 31-inch overall length into a stout, easily managed 6.25-pound package. Aesthetics are completely sidelined in favor of pure physical durability, featuring a heavily textured pistol grip housing and an integrated internal cushion recoil pad built directly into the buttstock to soften the cycling impulse. The receiver cover is equipped with ample Picatinny rail space to accommodate budget red dots, working alongside a set of fully adjustable factory iron sights featuring a protected rear peep and a prominent front post. The manual safety lever and the magazine release button are deliberately stiff and mechanical, ensuring that the weapon cannot be accidentally bumped out of its operational state during a scuffle. Mechanically, the massive steel bolt assembly moves back and forth with absolute authority, consistently feeding defensive hollow points out of a proprietary 10-round single-stack steel magazine. The single-stage trigger press features a heavy deliberate take-up that serves as an excellent safety barrier for home defense, braking predictably to drive projectiles with surprising range precision out to 50 yards. The entire weapon is designed to run completely dry of expensive lubricants, handling hundreds of rounds of regular target ammunition, without a single mechanical hesitation or extraction failure. Number 4. Extar EP9, redefining the boundaries of lightweight tactical maneuvering at a factory price point of approximately $449. The Extar EP9 is an ultra-compact marvel of modern polymer engineering, weighing an astonishingly light 4 pounds flat. The entire receiver group is molded from a high-tech, impact-resistant technical polymer that sheds massive bulk while retaining exceptional structural rigidity under fire. The business end features a short 6.5-inch nitrided barrel threaded at a standard 1/2 by 28 pitch, complete with a factory blast, forward muzzle device to push concussive gases safely away from the operator. The ergonomics of the EP9 are highly agile, allowing the shooter to drive the weapon from target to target with near-zero physical resistance or arm fatigue. The handguard features crisp M-lock attachment bays at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions for tactical hardware, while a non-reciprocating side-charging handle remains static during the cycling process to prevent hand interference. The weapon utilizes standard R-style safety selectors and pistol grips, and is specifically engineered to run on ubiquitous Glock pattern magazines, shipping with an 18-round body and running extended 33-rounders flawlessly. The true secret to the EP9's commercial success is its integrated polymer buffer system, tucked cleanly into the rear of the receiver. This specialized mechanical engineering actively dampens the harsh, snappy return stroke of the blowback bolt, drastically cutting down on felt recoil and keeping your red dot perfectly stabilized for instant follow-up shots. The fire control housing yields a surprisingly light, clean trigger press with a fast tactile reset window, though shooters will notice a distinct, snappy bolt return vibration that requires a firm cheek weld adjustment to master completely. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P Folding Pistol Carbine, capturing the third spot on our countdown with an innovative side-folding blueprint. The Smith & Wesson M&P Folding Pistol Carbine carries a retail price point floating between $500 and $630 in 2026. This specialized folding long gun features a brilliant horizontal hinge assembly positioned directly behind the chamber, allowing the entire 16.25-inch threaded barrel to fold completely flat against the stock to shrink the transport length to just 16.4 inches. Weighing a solid 5 pounds empty, this pack-ready defender unfolds and locks into a 30.4-inch firing configuration with absolute structural rigidity and no zero shift. From a human engineering standpoint, Smith & Wesson made a stroke of genius by placing the magazine well directly inside the pistol grip, perfectly mirroring the handling dynamics and control placements of their famous M&P M2.0 handgun series. The flat-face stock contains built-in dual storage bays that house 2 spare extended magazines, allowing you to carry a staggering 63 rounds of defensive ammunition directly on the weapon before ever needing a chest rig. The full-length top Picatinny track provides ample room for advanced optics, supported by a complete M-lock handguard shroud, though users must source their own iron sights as none come in the box. The mechanical action utilizes a blowback design enhanced by an internally weighted bolt assembly that shortens the cycling stroke to deliver an incredibly smooth, low-vibration recoil impulse. The fire control unit shares the exact crisp, flat-face trigger geometry of their duty pistols, braking cleanly at 5 pounds with a highly tactile audible reset that lets you track multiple targets with extreme speed. Folding the weapon requires a simple manual manipulation of a heavy-duty frame latch, creating a highly stable, completely self-contained survival rifle that slides comfortably into standard commuter backpacks. Number 2. KelTec Sub 2000 Generation 2, holding its crown as an absolute pioneer of ultra, portable long guns. The KelTec Sub 2000 Generation 2 maintains a highly competitive street price of approximately $424. This classic folding carbine utilizes a vertical toolless hinge design that pivots the entire 16-inch threaded barrel directly over the top of the receiver frame, folding the weapon into a tiny 16.25-inch footprint. Constructed from a specialized glass-filled nylon polymer, this minimalist platform weighs an incredibly light 4 pounds while offering superb field durability under demanding wilderness tracking conditions. The ergonomics are focused entirely on deep concealment and rapid deployment, allowing the carbine to store flat inside vehicle glove boxes, center consoles, or small day packs without creating a visible printing signature. The Generation 2 architecture includes an integrated top and bottom Picatinny rail system with built-in adjustable iron sights, and is engineered to accept standard Glock 15-round and 33-round extended magazines. The manual charging handle is positioned directly underneath the stock buffer tube, utilizing a stiff internal spring configuration that requires an initial break-in period and confident hand manipulation to cycle smoothly. Mechanically, the straight-blowback operating system relies on an incredibly simple, robust spring and bolt relationship that delivers impressive match accuracy, consistently punching under inch groups out at 50 yards with quality ammunition. The single-stage trigger breaks with an authoritative heavy snap that ensures complete operational safety when moving through dense brush or climbing over obstacles. Operators must adapt to the lack of a last-round bolt-hold open mechanism, but the sheer physical reliability of the feeding geometry ensures that the gun cycles cleanly across all variations of casing materials. Number 1. Ruger PC Carbine Generation 3, claiming our ultimate top spot as the undisputed gold standard of modular utility. The Ruger PC Carbine Generation 3 commands a dealer price point sitting between $500 and $630 in 2026. This masterful long gun features a heavy-duty, fast-operating takedown mechanism that allows the user to split the rifle cleanly into 2 halves with a simple manual twist and pull at the barrel receiver junction. Equipped with a 16.18-inch heavy fluted and threaded barrel, this 7-pound powerhouse uses its physical mass to completely tame muzzle flip and ensure a rock-solid, stable shooting platform. The ergonomics of the Generation 3 model are heavily modeled after the iconic Ruger 1022 layout, providing a highly traditional, intuitive rifle grip structure that feels completely natural to American marksmen. Ruger includes a highly innovative swappable magazine well insert block right inside the factory box, allowing you to instantly convert the feeding system from standard Ruger SR series magazines to high-capacity Glock magazines without buying aftermarket components. The charging handle and the magazine release paddle are completely reversible for true ambidextrous operation, supported by factory-installed quick detach sling mounts and an integrated ghost ring rear sight with a protected front blade. The mechanical action is uniquely highlighted by Ruger's proprietary tungsten deadweight blowback block, which actively shortens bolt travel and counteracts rearward kinetic energy to deliver the softest shooting recoil profile in the entire pistol caliber category. The fire control housing utilizes premium internal components that yield an exceptionally light, crisp trigger press that encourages hyper-precise shot strings during rapid-fire live drills. While the magazine release location can occasionally require a minor hand shift to actuate under extreme stress, the flawless structural tolerances and bomb-proof cycling reliability cement this takedown rifle as a premier asset. Looking back across the incredible engineering solutions of these 7-pistol caliber carbines, it is completely clear that securing your home and property does not require spending thousands of dollars. From the nostalgic, soft-shooting geometry of the Chiappa M19 to the incredible backpack-ready folding mechanisms of Smith & Wesson and KelTec, the modern firearms industry has delivered an unbelievable standard of accessible security for 2026. Investing in a high-capacity, low-recoil 9mm long gun is one of the smartest ways to ensure absolute operational certainty and maintain complete control over your sight picture, whenever an emergency strike happens. Which of these budget-friendly tactical carbines are you planning to position next to your nightstand or inside your truck vault? Be sure to leave a comment down below with your personal favorites and range insights. If you found this technical review and mechanical analysis valuable, show some love by hitting that like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming premium weapon essays. Train hard, maintain your gear with absolute pride, and we will see you on the firing line next time.